Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how image metadata can reveal sensitive information like location. Many people share images online without realizing that these images may contain hidden details such as where the photo was taken. In this video we will understand how this works and how you can check it yourself. This video is created only for educational and awareness purposes. The goal is to help people understand privacy risks and protect their personal data. Do not use this method for any illegal or unethical activities. Now let's move to the practical demonstration. First, open the terminal on your system. Once the terminal is open, switch to the root user by typing sudo su. This gives us the required permissions to install and run tools smoothly. Now the next step is to download the tool. For that, we will use the git clone command. The tool link will be provided in the description of this video, so you can simply copy it from there and paste it into your terminal. After you run the git clone command, the download process will start. Now, depending on your internet speed, this may take a few seconds or even a minute. So while it is downloading, just wait patiently and make sure there are no interruptions in your connection. Once the download is completed successfully, you will see that a new folder has been created in your current directory. Now we need to move into that folder. Use the seed command and navigate to the EXIF folder. After entering the folder, you are now inside the tool directory. Before directly using the tool, it's always a good practice to check whether the tool is working correctly. So now type EXIF tool and press enter. When you run this command, the tool will display its usage information. This includes how to run the tool, what parameters it accepts, and general help instructions. Seeing this output confirms that the tool is installed properly and ready to use. If you do not see any errors and the tool responds correctly, that means everything is set up successfully. Now we are ready to use this tool with an image file to extract metadata in the next step. Now let's continue with the practical and see how to use the tool with an image. First, we run the command by typing EXIF tool. Then we provide the image file along with its path. So the command will look like this: EXIF tool image JPG. Or if the image is in a different folder, we give the full path. After running this command, the tool starts processing the image. Within a few seconds, it displays the metadata on the screen. Now you can see multiple details appearing one by one. This includes the file name, directory path, file size, image width and height, and the date when the image was created and modified. As we scroll further, we can see more technical information related to the image. The tool continues to show detailed metadata extracted from the file. Among these details, one of the most important sections is the GPS information. If the image contains location data, it will display latitude and longitude values here. We can clearly see these GPS coordinates on the screen. These coordinates represent the exact location where the image was captured. Now we will copy the latitude and longitude values. Once copied, open your browser. In the search bar, paste the copied coordinates. Then press enter. Now the browser will show the location on the map. As you can see, it points to the exact place where the image was taken. This demonstrates how easily location information can be extracted from an image using metadata. Now we will use a second image and repeat the process to extract metadata and check its location. First, in the terminal, we run the command again. EXIF tool. Now this time, we provide the second image along with its path. So the command will be EXIF tool image 2, JPG. Make sure you give the correct file name or full path if the image is in another folder. Once we run the command, the tool starts processing the second image. Within a few seconds, it displays all the metadata on the screen. Now you can see similar details again like file name, file path, size, image width and height, and created and modified dates. As we scroll further, more metadata details keep appearing. Now we focus on the GPS information section. Here we can see the latitude and longitude values for this second image. These coordinates represent the location where this image was captured. Now we copy the latitude and longitude values. After copying, open your browser. In the search bar, paste the coordinates. Then press Enter. Now the browser will show the location on the map. Confirms that each image can have its own unique metadata and location details. So this is